Welcome to the 5 links video course. Thanks for being here. How was synchronizing good audio and good video recorded separately together? Did you make it? What app, what software did you use? Please write that in the comments if you didn't do that already. Now, how can you make audio stronger so it really stands out? In this lesson, you will learn it. With a computer and the edit software, it's very easy to improve audio. All the filters are built in. With a phone, it's a bit tricky, but not impossible. There are some great apps which help you to improve the audio. I just installed WavePad and played a little bit around and I like it. After improving your audio, you can export it in a high quality and put it into your editing app. By the way, what is high quality audio in video production? Do you remember? Yes, it is uncompressed audio in a sample rate of 48 kHz. And the container, it's either WAV or AIF. If you edit your video with a computer, normally audio is done within the editing software. Well, of course, the big cinema production, they have their special software, but we use an edit software to improve our audio and to edit it in. In the videos I give you to watch this week, you will find out that different people use different filters to improve their audio. Several people use Premiere Pro to edit and improve their audio, but it's also possible in other software like DaVinci Resolve and also in phone apps. Just copy the method and the filters they use and apply it to your software or to the app you are using. As always, in the description of this video, you find your 5 links to learn how to improve your audio in editing. Also, your task for this lesson is mentioned in the description. Please find a sound improving app for your phone that works for your working style. Please also write in the comments what app you use or what software you use to improve your sound, so others can benefit from your experience. And the other task is use 5 different sound sources or video clips and improve their audio. With sound source, I mean, for example, a man's voice, a woman's voice, or an animal or a machine sound, and these different sounds, and improve that audio. Feel free to put any question or comment in the comment section. Also share and like this video. Have fun with the task and see you later. Yes, again done. It's cool. Let's see how this goes. And that was the English for the second clip. A few little bit more. Okay, let's stop the stuff.